Hi friends, I'm Freddie from AmpCoil. Welcome to the community of users. I'm sure you are excited to start using your AmpCoil system, so let's go. Once you open your shipping container, you're going to see a box with your tablet and a hard-shelled case, which contains your AmpCoil system. First, let's open up the tablet box, take out the charger, connect the USB-C to the bottom of your tablet, and then plug the charger into a wall outlet. Let that charge to 100%. Now let's open up our hard shell case. The first thing you'll see is an electromagnetic coil. Let's set that to the side. Next, we'll remove the protective foam, and you'll be looking at your custom designed amplifier. To the right is a plastic bag. Let's see what's inside. We have an audio auxiliary cable, a digital cable, a magnet, extra fuses, and your AC power cable. So now we're ready to connect some cables and use your AmpCoil system. First, let's connect the AC power cord to the side of the amplifier and the other end to a 3-pronged wall outlet. You'll notice on the electromagnetic coil, the plug has 2 raised keys. Align the keys with the 2 slots on the amplifier, push in the plug, and gently turn to the right. You'll hear a click when it's locked into place. To remove the cord, pull up on the latch, turn to the left, and remove the plug. No connector on the AmpCoil system requires any force to connect. Now we're ready to connect the tablet to the custom designed amplifier. Take your audio auxiliary cord and plug one end into the top of the tablet. Take the other end and plug it into the custom designed amplifier. Now we're ready to power on our tablet. On the upper right-hand side of the tablet, you'll notice 2 buttons, a larger button and a smaller button. The button on the top is the power button. Depress it for 4 seconds and wait for your tablet to turn on. Next, power on your amplifier. Now that your entire AmpCoil system is powered on, swipe up on the tablet and select the BetterGuide icon. This will bring you to a login screen. Here, you can enter the email you purchased your device with and your AmpCoil password. Default password is AmpCoil1, all lowercase. Press Get Started. Congratulations, you've been successfully logged in. Next, you'll be taken to your profile, which has already been pre-programmed by the AmpCoil team. Select on the icon, and you'll be taken to the Discover menu. From the Discover menu, you can select every one of our pre-programmed journeys, whether it's rejuvenating or a cleanse journey. Now, before you start a journey, place all electronic devices and metal objects at least 4 feet away from where you'll be coiling. For our first journey, we're going to move into the nutrition album, select nutrition, and you'll notice an option from 3 separate journeys: Detox Assist, Nutritional Tune-Up, Nutrition Tune-Up Full. For this journey, we're going to select Nutrition Tune-Up Full for 30 minutes and 34 seconds. And now we're going to get an option for our volume. We have General, Gentle 1, 65 years and above, Gentle 2, 14 years and under. Most of our users benefit from the General volume setting. Select General, and the sound check begins. If you hold the coil 6 to 12 inches away from your ear, you'll hear a faint descending scale followed by vibration. This ensures that sound is being broadcast through the coil during your journey. Also during this time, you can take your magnet and hold it over the coil and witness the magnetic field that the coil is generating. And finally, the most important part, place the coil on your body, sit back, relax, and receive all the benefits of the AmpCoil system. So now you know everything there is to know about AmpCoil. I'm kidding. There's lots more to know, but you're going to discover that in the AmpCoil manual and working with support through the Owner's Help Center. And the easiest way to connect with our support team is by tapping on the icon on the upper right-hand side of our tablet, and a menu slides out. You'll select the Talk With Us feature. Immediately, you'll see an option to start a conversation with support. Type in your query, and Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. through 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, someone from support will reach out and contact you through the app, or you can set up a time to talk on the phone. That's it for now, and happy coiling.